Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel A Stone of Hope. Today in this video we will do exercise 2.2 question 1 second part. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. I hope you watched my previous video. In that video I did question 1 first part. So today we will do second part. This is a quadratic equation 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So we will find out the zeros. So in this question, firstly we will make a factor of 4s and factor ऐसे बनाने हैं कि उनका प्लस या माइनस करने पे 4s आना चाहिए, and if we multiply the factor then the multiply will be equal to the multiply of these two numbers. So factor, like if I will take factor to minus 2s, then it will be minus 4s. If I will multiply these two factors, then it will be 4s square, which is equal to multiply of 4s square into 1. Like 4s square into 1 also equal to 4s square. So these are the factor of minus 4s. So next step is we will write the factors of 4s. 4s square minus 2s minus 2s plus 1. Now we will take common number from these two factors. Here 2s is common. What will we left? 2s minus 1. In these terms, nothing is common, so we will take only one number is common. 2s minus plus minus. Now we will write the same bracket for one time only. 2s minus 1, again 2s minus 1. Then we will put these two factors is equal to 0. 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. 2s is equal to 1. S is equal to 1 by 2. Here also same. 2s is equal to 1. S is equal to 1 by 2. Because student, here 2 is in the multiply. Here it is multiply. When we take 2 to the next side, to the another side, then it will come in divide. Like here is in multiply, then if we take it right hand side, then it will come in the fraction. These are the factors of this quadratic equation. So we can give a term like first factor is alpha. Alpha is equal to 1 by 2, and second factor is beta. Beta is equal to 1 by 2. But student, in this question we also have to verify the relationship between the zeros. So now we will do verification. We will do verification here. Verification. For verification there is two rules. First is sum of zeros. Is equal to minus b by a. Sum means student add karna. Like we will add the zeros, like alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And b by a, you can find these value from the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So I will write here a is equal to 4, which is coefficient of s square. B is equal to minus 4, which is the coefficient of s only, and c is equal to 1. Now we will write alpha is 1 by 2 plus beta also 1 by 2 is equal to minus b. minus 4. A is 4. A is also 4. Now we will add. If we take LCM of 2 and 2, then we will get LCM as 2. And you can also understand like that. If the denominator is same, then you can write the denominator for us one time only, 2. Then if we will divide 2 with the LCM, then we get quotient 1, and we multiply the quotient with the numerator, is equal to minus bracket minus is, it will be plus 4 by 4. Here 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. Then 1 is equal to 1. Both sides are equal, hence verify it. Now the second rule is, this one is first, this one is second. Product of zeros. Student, product means multiply. If we multiply the zeros, then what we will get? C by A. Alpha into beta is equal to C by A. Alpha is 1 by 2, beta also 1 by 2. C is 1, A is 4. If we multiply 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. Here is also 1 by 4. So both sides are equal, like left hand side is equal to right hand side. That means it is correct, hence verified. Now comes to third part. In this question, we have to make factor of minus 7x. minus 7x को हमें ऐसा ब्रेक करना है कि उनका जो मल्टीप्लाई, जो फैक्टर होंगे उनका मल्टीप्लाई इन दोनों की मल्टीप्लाई के इक्वल होना चाहिए. लाइक इनका मल्टीप्लाई क्या है? 6x² इंटू -3 इज इक्वल टू 18x² माइनस 18x². तो हमें फैक्टर सोचना है कि प्लस माइनस करने में -7x आना चाहिए. Like if I will take factor like -9x plus 2x is equal to -7x. If I will multiply these two factors, then I will get -18x here. So these are the factors. These are the factors of -7x. So I will write here 6x² minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Student, we will write minus 9x. Most of the student face many problems like why I write minus here and plus here, because I want to get like minus 7x, because minus 9x is the bigger number, larger number, so this is a minus number. If I will write plus here, then I will get a plus 7x. So for minus 7x I have to write minus 9x, बिकॉज साइन उसका आता है जिसका बड़ा नंबर हो. तो अब इन दोनों में से कॉमन लेंगे एंड वी विल टेक कॉमन फ्रॉम दीज टू ऑल्सो. एंड फ्रॉम हियर लाइक वी कैन टेक 3x कॉमन. व्हाट विल लेफ्ट? 2x minus 3. Again here nothing is common, so we can take 1 as a common. 2x plus 1, 2x minus 3, because always these two bracket will be same. So we will write the same bracket for the single time. 2x minus 3, and we will write 3x plus 1 in another bracket. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to 3, because here it is minus and it will become plus on the another side. X is equal to 3 upon 2, because 2 is in multiply here, and when we take it from the another side, then it will come on the divide. x is equal to 3 by 2 because 2 is in multiply here. Then when we take it for from to the another side, then it will become on divide. 3x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to minus 1 by 3. So these are the two factors of this equation, and we can take these factors as like alpha is equal to 3 by 2, beta is equal to minus 1 by 3. In this question we have to verify your answer also. So now we will do verification. I will write here verification. There is two rule for verification. First one is sum of zeros is equal to minus b by a. Zeros means alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. A is equal to 6, b equal to minus 7, and c is equal to minus 3. And student A is the coefficient of x square, and b is the coefficient of x, and c is the constant number. So now we will put ABC value in the formula. Alpha is 3 by 2, beta is minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus b is minus 7, a is 6. Student, now we will solve the bracket first, because according to BODMAS rule we have to solve the bracket first. After that we will do other operations. 3 by 2 plus minus minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus minus plus 7 by 6. Now we will take LCM 2 or 3, then we get 6. LCM is very easy, like 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, and we multiply both these numbers. 2 into 3, 6. Then we will divide 6 by 2, then we get 3 as a quotient, and we multiply 3 with the numerator. 3 3s are 9 minus 1 2s are 2 by 6 equal to 7 by 6. Then we get 7 by 6 is equal to 7 by 6 both sides. Hence verified. Now we will do second rule, like product of zeros. Is equal to alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Alpha is 3 by 2, beta is minus 1 by 3 is equal to c is minus 3, a is 6. When we multiply 3 into minus 1, minus 3, 2 into 3, 6 is equal to minus 3 by 6. And we can also cut 3 1 to 3, 3 to the 6. 3 1 to 3, 3 to the 6. Then we get minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2 on both sides. Hence verified again. Student, I hope you will like this video, and if you like and you think that this video really helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to find the information about the upcoming videos. Thank you.